If you want to add weld text and symbols to your drawings, you can use these commands. Run the command, select the type of weld you want to add, and enter its thickness. Mark 2 points in the drawing to indicate the location of the weld symbol. Check the appropriate boxes for the weld symbol. If you want to add an additional leader, click the Additional Weld button below. From the drop-down menu, select Provide 2 points and click on the points as shown to create a preview. If it looks correct, click Create to finalize the command. If you want to highlight the edges where welding is applied, run this command and mark 2 points. Once you're satisfied, click Create to complete the process. If you want to display the weld thickness separately with hatching, you can use this command. Enter the weld thickness, click Insert Points, and mark 3 points as shown in the image to complete the command.